What's up, guys? I just woke up. The time is now 8:14 in the morning, and I'm so excited with my dragon breath because today I'm buying a puppy.
So I left out the house now, guys, just listening to the radio, which I don't do quite often, so you see me, I'm heading to
okay, so what is your story?
Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with most of the day, well not most of the day, so I went to the bank. I'm not going to vlog that because obviously it's a bank, so you're not going to do that. I just wanted to ship me, which I could have vlogged in a while ago, but anyway, I got my packages pretty much. Guys, ship me is a plug for me, because you can order stuff from it. This is not even a sponsor type of thing. If I see a brand or a company that I like, I'm not gonna make you know about it. And they're one of those companies that I think have been very consistent, very customer service oriented. Just make sure you go there from early in the morning, because like in the afternoon it's gonna be rampacked because everybody's ordering stuff from it. The catch about it, you know, once you order anything below $50, and you know, customs are really charging them. You just pay just the weight, the shipping fee and whatever. So that's awesome. That's what I do or try to do most times, you know, to make some savings and stuff, because we're not blessed to live a foreign where, you know, we can do whatever. So funny thing is that I forgot that Davina and I are going on a date today, because her birthday is coming up and we're going on a trip for that, so you guys stay tuned for that. But I booked 2 Swedish massages and I put something again, pedicure, for both her and I. So we're doing that, and like I completely forgot about it. Like I got the reminder and I was like, yo, okay, but I never realized that today is Thursday. So we go to that. I paid for the dog, kind of afraid because I don't even know if it's a scam, but you see me, pay for the dog, hopefully to work out. The person is carrying it on the bus, public transportation, so I'm gonna see about that. So that's pretty much what we have for the rest of the day. And then Judah and I are supposed to go for yo, Judah, you're always late, dog. Like big man thing. Like she's saying, oh, I'm gonna wake up early in the morning. It's now 10 o'clock. Where are you? We don't know. Yeah, watch your vlog. May I light you up. Judah is always late, guys. Always late. That asleep, you know. So, you know, I'm gonna go to the guys. She's gonna call me later on, and I'm gonna talk about some little story like, oh, you know, this or whatever. Really like usual. She's gonna call me and I got answer. Big man thing. I'm gonna go on my date today. I'm gonna hang out with Davin. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. So you and I are gonna search some breakfast, some real Jamaican something, some fried dumpling and some boiled dumpling and banana and whatever. I don't even know. But something to eat right now. I'm gonna go continue stuff with you. I'm gonna go shopping by myself. You see me? Until if you pop up somewhere along the line, Miss Judah, then you pop up. But she always late, and it's not like a conventional type of female late. This is a Judah late thing. Sorry, babes, that's where you go. Alright, guys, so right now when I cross the road, just I go and walk real quick. For those of you who want to know where shit me is, or for those of you who don't know, it's in one rip on the road. So that's Crossroads, one that ends there. You see me? Well, nobody gonna beat me and take my camera right now. I have to go beat them back. You see me? I say? So it's pretty much the entrance. You see me? All the dealership, somewhere up there. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find some food real quick. And I don't know runaway slaves who forget about Jamaica. This is which part Errands, there's some Errands super center up there, so that's some of the right now. Some of there, so now I want to go cook shop. I've eaten here twice already about lunch. This is called Family Deli. It's in the same class I'm going to show you all ago. Just saw them up on the menu real quick. Not seeing a breakfast. I'm saying Milo, but I'm not seeing no breakfast. Oh, go on. Yeah, so we're there at salon. About to eat the food right quick. Get some carrot juice, bills 50, natural thing. You see me, I said, even though it tastes, I'm going to talk about the likes of the baddest thing out there. I'm going to get like a baby food because I never really eat breakfast on the meds, so I'm trying to talk about it. And I'm not really too, I never have like no fried something and boiled something yet. So, it's out there in there, some banana. The yam is ugly, that's all I know, so I think it's a pum pum yam. You have yellow yam and so, and some stewed chicken at the bottom, and it's a whole heap of gravy. Good art. Guys, pre the yam. Like I wanna have something my fake rice people them build. Just looks stringy. Anybody know the name of the yam? Let me know. Let me know the name of the yam. Tastes good, you know. Built by the fake rice people then. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. And honestly, niggeritis is like killing me right now. I'm more asleep. But I kinda wanna sleep still because I went to bed like 4 o'clock this morning. I was on the phone with Judah for a while and then, yeah, I was watching Mission Impossible 2. I watched 1 and then I watched 2, so. But anyway, to comment on the food, it's kind of hard to really talk about Jamaican food, especially when it's like stewed chicken and banana, because banana is banana, yam is yam. You see me? But the stewed chicken for me was pretty good. What I like the most persons when they make stewed chicken, like, there is this layer of oil, just like oil them use as gravy pretty much, and I don't like that. But for this one it was pretty rich and consistent, so I liked it, even though somebody that complained. But that guy seemed like a complainer, man, because he was like, yo, fish not ready. Like when he came to the place, I was like, just beer complaining. But guys, if you guys like these daily vlogs, just hanging out with me in a day, you see me, hit that like button, don't know, comment it, let me know what going on, and I'll try to do more of these, you know. But as I said, we have a trip. Today's Thursday, October the 13th. Yeah, have it be October 13th, because by Friday, October the 13th, people that I talk about it is, no, let me check it. So I was wrong, it's actually Thursday, October the 12th, because I do remember now that people are talking about October the 13th is gonna be on a Friday the 13th, bad luck day. Yikes. But anyway guys, I'm gonna head home real quick and then wait for Davine. I think she should be at my house by like about 12 o'clock or so. Guys, look at my new girlfriend for the day. Ask for days, nigga. So we just got here, look at it. Oh my god. Donna, I'm sorry. Donna, that's for you though. So pretty much we just got to New Kingston Shopping Center. They called us, so we were maybe like 5 minutes late. And yeah, so we're here for a 12 o'clock appointment. I'm gonna show you guys exactly. Look at that. There, guys. Look, guys, we're walking in circles because it's way over there. But with the magic. Sorry guys, but the magic of vlogs, we can be there just like this. We here. Yeah, look at this. Alright, so we just got the salon innovation and stuff. We're gonna see what's up here, man. For your nails?
Yeah.
I don't know, let's ask Dano. Dano. It's not a phone, I'm sorry. So I'm here at Salon Innovations in New Kingston. Getting my pedicure done. My toes look good. Look at those piggies. This is the piggy went to market.
What a problem. What the issue, Steven?
I'm just checking you out, man. See what you're doing.
See what I'm doing, huh? Why you have to do this? All of this gonna be on the vlog?
The parts that are exciting. This part is very exciting.
This part is very exciting. How?
It's your birthday. Repeat.
Donna says hi.
Hey Donna, I got you, boy.
Hey, he got you. He said, hey, I got you, boy. Which one is it?
She talking to her man. I'm the side man today. Ooh. I'm about to get this cracking. What's up, guys? Here about to get my Swedish massage and stuff. Yeah, so like there's a guy here and I was a bit scared if you gonna be the one massaging you and shit. Like, bruh, but I think it's gonna be the lady. Like, I'm really hoping for that because like, what am I in? What else after this? Guys, I'm so excited. I feel like a VIP. You see that? Throw the guy from my back. Yo, I'm trying to think if I've ever paid for a massage before. Nah, I don't think I ever did it, so you guys are gonna experience this with me. Not the full 100, of course, but I don't know. Alright guys, so I just got done my back massage. Yo, she massaged this boy to sleep. I'm saying it was really nice, comfortable. This is my first like massage by professional or whatever. The first time I did it was you guys saw me do that. It was at Bath Fountain. That was pretty good. That was different, but this was really good as well. So this is me. I'll go get ready. And Davine's gonna do her lashes as well. So that's another 15 minutes something. I don't know. Keep the link, guys. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, remember guys, hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for, you know, growing with me and, you know, helping me along with this journey. And I hope you guys enjoy everything that I got to show you guys. Bye. So Davine has to relearn how to walk again.
Yeah, especially after that one. Got it. Okay.
Can I fit in there? I want to see what's happening.
Alright. Got it. Did I smash my toe? I did.
Seriously?
Seriously. Don't make your toe.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Up more. Keep it closed. If you open this, it's gonna burn.
alcohol?
It's diluted. It's not fully.
Okay. Oh no, I don't like it.
Hold on. I'm gonna control the lid. Why are you looking? That's so early.
Okay. Do I look pretty?
You're looking pretty already. So the eye over there,
Yeah.
that
You
one's
see the
almost
difference?
done. Yeah, there's a big difference.
Okay.
It's called a flirtatious kick, but is me. If you flirt with nobody, then I get a kick. So.
Whatever, man. Alright. Did that work? You think that worked?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So like, I came here with Davine. I'm here with Davine 2.0.
You see them lashes though. You see them lashes though.
So right now, guys, I'm at this key cutting place, because where I went before. They don't cut car keys and stuff. Right now, it's turning house keys, so I'm here. limelight off your tree, you know?
You know, gang gang.
Why is she always saying gang gang? What? So we came here to, so Judah picked this out. I like this. It's awesome. It doesn't look pink. The camera makes it look pink. It's like peach. Yeah. The camera makes it look this way though. But I want
So like this one?
Yeah. Special day for me. I'm chilling with 3 girls. What? Right now we're in our leaves. This is probably a bad decision. I might not be ever getting out of here.
It can work. The fabric is fine, but what color is this swimsuit? Peach. So is mine. Are you wearing peach too, Juno? No. I don't know what I'm wearing. That's a really bad angle.
Twinkle your toes, just twinkle your toes, man. Stop talking. Yeah.